So today I'll be showing you how to charge your Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. So to charge the earbuds themselves, all you have to do is put them in the case. So the case has a battery and that battery will charge the earbuds themselves. But that case also needs to be charged. So how do you charge it? Now there's a little USB-C cable that comes in the box. So you can plug in the USB-C side to this and then the other side to any power source. And by any power source, I mean a charging brick. It could be another device. So for instance, this one is plugged in like that with a Type-C. You can use any Type-C cable. Okay, so you can see it's charging, and you can tell it's charging because it's this this LED light here that's just beaming slowly. Okay, that means the earbuds are charging, or rather the case is charging. Now you can plug in the other end of that USB cable, especially if it's a USB-C cable on the other end. You can plug it even to your phone and use your phone's big battery to charge the little battery of this earbuds. So for instance, you can see I have my iPhone here. So if I plug in to the USB-C on my iPhone, they should start charging. Okay, so my phone is acting as a power bank to charge these Soundcore Liberty 5s. Now this other end, like I said, could be going into a power bank as well, to your laptop, to a smart TV. As long as that other source has a bigger battery, it's probably going to charge these earbuds. Now these earbuds also support wireless charging. So if you have a wireless charging pad somewhere, or if you have a phone that supports wireless power sharing, then all you have to do is go to the wireless charging pad, place your earbuds, and you can see the light blinking there. That's just chiming slowly. That means they're charging. So they also support wireless charging, and you can charge them wirelessly using the Qi wireless charging standard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.